Hi guys, we're gonna make paper bracelets.
Paper bracelets at origami style. Are going to be making our own paper. If you don't want to make your own paper, just grab some origami paper or 2 different kinds of paper. You could use scrap paper if you want. I just was playing around with some different types of materials. I just took a regular piece of printer paper and I was using some of the cooler colors along with some of the hot colors mixed in with some cool colors. Once you have your 2 different colored sheets of paper, you're going to go ahead and do some measuring and then some cutting. Okay, so you need a ruler. We're going to use centimeters on this side, and we need them to be 12 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure mine out, and then I'm going to show you what I've done. So I'm going ahead and I'm marking on the 12 centimeter line all the way across, so that I'm going to have a nice straight line when I cut. And then I'm going to go ahead and line up the dots that I made when I measured, and I'm going to connect the dots to make that line. So I have my 12 centimeters right there, and I'm going to go ahead and make the measurements for the 3 centimeters. So I went ahead and marked out every 3 centimeters all the way down on this side of the page and on this side of the page. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect the dots the other direction. Try and keep your ruler as still as possible so it does not wiggle. I'm connecting my dots in nice straight lines. Then I'm going to just cut these guys out right on the lines. I'm now just cutting on the lines. You're making sure that your paper is dry. If it's not, your paper will tear when you are cutting. So be patient with this. It's not going to be the quickest project in the world. I have 2 piles of paper, 2 different colors. I am ready to start folding. Hi guys, so you should have 18 pieces that look like this. 3 centimeters by 12 centimeters, okay? I'm choosing to have 2 different colors. So what you're gonna do is you're taking your piece, you're gonna fold it in half. The kids in the elementary school say the hot dog way, but it is actually the lengthwise. So I just folded my piece of paper right in half. And then I'm actually gonna fold it in half one more time and then leave it on the side. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of pieces like that. So all my pieces, again, I fold it in half. I fold it in half the other way to make a hot dog bun, and then fold it in half. So you want 18, and then you're good to go. Guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, I only have 2 different kinds of paper, so if you have more than one, or more than 2, then you need to figure out your pattern yourself. So you're gonna take 2 pieces, they're folded in half, so I'm just gonna take the pokey part, I'm gonna poke it right through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a second pokey part right here and add it in. So I'm starting to make that step right there a little bit, okay? So what happened, I put it right through the middle right there, and then I took this other color or other piece and I poked it right through the middle. It's starting to have a nice little step. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start folding. I'm going to start folding down here. I'll pull you down here. And what I'm going to do is take these bottom pieces and fold in half, and then fold it in half again. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold it and then fold it in half. And then I'm just going to leave it just like that. Then I have this piece right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the white piece to it. And I want to kind of block it off right here. Have the tail sticking out there. And leave that there. So then I do the next thing. I say, okay, I'm going to fold it. That's sticking through. I'm going to fold it in half, and poke it through. And then before I do my other side, I'm going to actually lock this in right here. As you continue through, you're going to have this funny little tail piece there. Don't worry about that. You're going to always go fold and then fold that piece again. And every single time you are tucking that tail right in below. Sometimes it's going to feel like you kind of push it in. Okay, so I'm keeping those pieces just like that. I have my tail and my next one ready to go. I'm going to add in a white tail. And I want to make my tail go off the side. So it's kind of hanging onto that stair right there. And then I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to fold it, and tuck it. Fold, fold, tuck every single time. So that locks it into place. Fold, fold, tuck. As you get to the end, it's going to be time to start tucking these in. So you're going to do the same step. You're going to fold it over, tuck it in. And this is just a short one right here. Might be a ring. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold it over, fold it over, tuck it in. Hi, Max. Is there something you want to tell the video? So I'm tucking this in right here. As you get to the end, it gets a little bit trickier to tuck it in because it's tighter. So I'm still tucking it in. I leave it. And then on this end, I'm going to go ahead and this piece, I need to put it through this little end here. So this guy's got to go into here. When everything gets tucked all in, this is the way it's going to look. There's step-by-step videos and also step-by-step directions you can use. Depends on which one works better for you. Miss you guys.